Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare and some beauty reviews on my channel. So if that is something you find interesting, please subscribe and you will be notified every time a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to review the Derma Co's 2% Salicylic Acid Serum. The price of this serum is 499 rupees and you get 30 ml quantity of this product. The packaging comes in the form of this outer cardboard box and it has all the information on it. The inner packaging comes in the form of this frosted glass bottle and it has a dropper dispenser. The texture of this serum is lightweight. It is a little bit runny but not super runny. So it's like a watery texture because this is a water-based serum. Let's talk about the ingredients of this serum. It contains 2% of salicylic acid as they have mentioned. Other key ingredients includes willow bark and witch hazel, and this is the complete ingredient list. Now how to use the serum is very simple. They have mentioned just apply it on the face and neck in the morning and evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. They have also mentioned that this is suitable with anyone with oily acne prone skin, blackheads, whiteheads, acne marks and open pores, suitable for all skin types. Now let's take a look at the claims of this serum and see if this is effective, what's so special about this salicylic acid as compared to other brands. Let acne be a short story. The Derma Co 2% Salicylic Acid Serum is a multitasking formulation that treats acne, unclogs pores and prevents skin damage. Introduce the skincare BFF to your regimen and you're sorted. The combination of 2% salicylic acid and witch hazel exfoliates the pores walls to prevent the appearance of whiteheads and blackheads. With no sebum in the pores, it eventually stops the formation of acne. When pimples say hi, give them the best farewell with this super serum. Bring on the best of the filter-free you with your spotless, unique and youthful skin. Please share my overall review and experience of using the serum. I've been using it for quite some time now. It's been a while, almost more than a month actually. I think more than a month, and the serum is good for whiteheads, blackheads. It gets rid of whiteheads and blackheads quite effectively and faster. Now before this I have used Minimalist 2% salicylic acid, and I have been, as I was using this, I have been comparing it to the Minimalist one, and I will definitely mention that what's the difference in this particular review. So first of all, the whiteheads and blackheads, it does work and quite effectively on them. It gets rid of most of the whiteheads if you keep using it regularly in your routine, like at least twice a week, once or twice a week you should keep using, and then you would notice no whiteheads and blackheads mostly. So the first claim, they mentioned that it treats acne, so definitely it does that. Now salicylic acid is actually used for acne mostly and whiteheads and blackheads, so it does work on acne, and I have tried it on a fresh acne acne breakout that I had, and it just worked with just one use. In the first use itself, the fresh new acne that I had completely flattened out. So I was quite surprised because I have used salicylic acid before and it does take at least 2 uses for to see results with acne, like with the Minimalist that I tried, but this one is like faster in terms of effectiveness on acne. Then I tried it on an old acne that I had and it was working on that as well, but obviously with the old one it takes longer as compared to a new acne. So you can use this particular salicylic acid in your skincare routine. If you're using it, make sure that you use sunscreen in the daytime routine if you go out in the sun, and you can use it in the nighttime routine mostly. I don't recommend using twice a day. You can use it in the nighttime routine only twice a week. And other thing I want to mention, that if you are looking for something to work on pigmentation, this one does not work on pigmentation. It mostly works on whiteheads, blackheads and acne breakout. So you can try it on that. You can use the serum as a spot treatment just on acne, or you can apply it in around the nose area. It works both ways. But with salicylic acid, if you're using it on your skin, make sure that you use a good moisturizer, because it tends to dry out the skin a little bit, not so much, but it does dry out the skin. So there are times when you feel the skin feeling itchy if you don't use a moisturizer. So make sure that you have well moisturized after using the serum, because it is an active. So this will work best for people with oily and acne prone skin. If you have dry skin, you can also use the serum. This is very effective and gives faster results. When I compared it with the Minimalist one, this one is better on acne as compared to Minimalist. If I have to choose one between these two, I will choose the Derma Co one. It is really giving faster results and very effective on whiteheads, blackheads, and on acne. It exfoliates the skin very gently without, like making the skin excessively dry. And if you check their website, this particular salicylic acid is one of their best sellers, and it is rightly so. It is definitely deserving to be bestseller because it is really an effective product. I highly recommend. If you're looking for a product to treat your acne, if you have acne prone skin, sensitive skin, prone to breakouts, this salicylic acid is really effective, really nice. It is fragrance free, so it will suit acne prone, sensitive skin people. Oily skin people will love this. I feel it is one of the most excellent and really effective products that I've tried, and I will highly recommend it. So ever since I started using the salicylic acid, I also noticed that there was no new breakouts much that I was getting, only in my hairline area, and that happens normally if there is any shampoo or any residue of face wash stuck. So that is fine, but that also reduced quite a lot. Usually I get breakout very often, but ever since I started using the salicylic acid, I haven't noticed any new breakouts coming. So this is very good. It works on your active acne, it works on your old acne, and it is also effective, and it also prevents new acne formation. So this is one thing that I wanted to share. This is my overall review of the Derma Co's 2% salicylic. So this is my overall review of the Derma Co's 2% salicylic acid serum. I hope you found this review useful. If you did, make sure that you are subscribed and like this video, and you'll find a lot of other skincare recommendations from my description box below, so make sure that you check that out. If you have any questions regarding this product or any other product, do mention it in the comment section and I will reply. And that's about it from today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.